everyone, this is Madhura Banerjee. Welcome back to Foster Feed. This is the fourth episode of Book Hopper, and for today's episode, I have come to Shithir More Book Fair. I've come here with my friends Sneha,
Hi.
Obhinavu, and Ratnadeep.
Yes. Woo.
Obhinavu, you want to say something?
Yeah, very excited, প্রথমবার দেখবো মধুরাকে ভালো করে কিভাবে কভার করছে and এমনিতে big fan of her narration and her channel. So yeah, make sure to like, share and subscribe and hope it's a good, review and whatever it is. একটু ছোট বুক ফেয়ারটা বাট আশা করছি ভালো হবে। রত্ন কিছু বলবে?
বই পড়ো।
ইয়েস, আমি তো বই কিনেও পড়ি না। তাও কিনেছি, প্রচুর বই কিনেছি।
Okay, please ignore our tired faces. We have come here directly from college. So we'll be entering the bookstall now. Let's see what the fair has to offer us.
আর আমি 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 ইংলিশে বলিনি মানে ইংলিশ পাই না তা না, বাংলার সুবিধা হয়তো, ইংলিশ আমিও ইংলিশ পাই।
This year, the venue of Boranagar Boi Utsav is the Shithir More ground, which is approximately halfway between Boranagar and Domdom station. The center of the ground has a beautiful little garden, and the bookstalls are aligned at the periphery. Among the various stalls that you'll find here, the most popular ones are Des Publishers, Ananda Publishers, and Potro Bharati. I'll take you inside their stalls in a while. A stage has been set up at this end of the ground for cultural events. There's sitting arrangement as well, so the visitors can sit back and enjoy the performances. Now let us go check out the Days Publishing stall. Here you can find a huge collection of books by Suchitra Bhattacharya, Buddhadev Bosu, Somoresh Mujumdar, and Sanjeev Chattopadhyay. From spiritual books to thrillers, this stall has it all. Next up is the Ananda Publishers stall. Here you can spot the entire collection of novels, detective and suspense stories by our very famous author Shirshendu Mukhopadhyay. You can also find books by Bani Bosu, Taslima Nasreen and Shoronjit Chakraborty. You can also buy these beautiful artworks from this fair. This bookstall named Evolve is the only stall where you will find English books. The shelves here are stacked with books like Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari, Sherlock Holmes, Around the World in 80 Days, Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank, Harry Potter, and numerous short story books for children. To sum it up, this stall is a book lover's paradise. I would like to mention one thing that these stalls aren't offering much of a discount. The maximum discount that you can avail is 10% at few stalls. But you can always feast your eyes on these beautiful collection of books and add to your reading list.
Okay, so we completed with our book hopping. I like the collection and everything. Let's know from our friends whether they liked it or not.
Yes, it was really a nice experience and এবার আসল বইমেলায় যাওয়ার সুযোগ পাইনি। So this was a nice compensation sort of, but হ্যাঁ ভালোই লাগলো and বেশ চকলেট চা, নর্মাল চা সব খাওয়া হলো, ভেলপুরি খাওয়া হলো অনেকদিন পর। So it was good, had a nice day and yeah, that's it.
Promote your channel.
Oh yeah, and yes, you can follow me and subscribe to my channel Obhinav Vlogs in YouTube. হ্যাঁ হালকা করে ব্লগস করি, খুব একটা বিশাল কিছু না, বাট হ্যাঁ মানে
Vishal already subscriber আছে.
হ্যাঁ মানে ওই আর কি।
Cross 500 subscribers.
Yes, so you can follow me and subscribe me there, and do make sure to subscribe to her channel as well. She's an amazing content creator. And Sneha,
Yes, I liked it too. It's very good. Do come here and please like, share, and subscribe.